Industry is changing very fast. So how you first pace up with this fast changing world? What are the top upskilling program which are in very demand from the student point of view in terms of enhancing their chances of getting the employment?
So basically, if we talk about analytics, so if you talk about 10, 15 or 20 years back, why these words are so popular these days? Because of technology development.
Which are those three programs you will recommend for the student who are looking for a better career growth?
One of the program is like if you are going to start your career, you should be part of business intelligence team. You should have command on Power BI, Tableau. These are the cutting edge tools which are very much useful for data visualization.
Hi friends, my name is Arvind Kumar and I'm founder of Upskill. Today I'm at IMT Ghaziabad Center for Distance Learning campus and I have with me Dr. Professor Keerti Jain ma'am. Ma'am, please introduce yourself for our audience.
So I'm Dr. Keerti Jain and I'm heading business analytics and IT department here. So I'm basically area chair here for business analytics and IT. And I'm taking care of courses related to analytics at IMT CDL.
So ma'am, there's a very important question I wanted to ask that yes, we all will agree being a part of the industry also or from the student point of view also that upskilling is very important if we have to grow further in our career, or there are a lot of new industries are coming. In fact, every industry are going through transition phase very quickly. By the time we settled down and started making our purchases through Flipkart, Amazon, by that time likes of Blinkit and Zepto has arrived, which has become kind of quick commerce. So what I'm trying to say that industry is changing very fast. And since you head and look after the emerging industry, emerging technology, emerging upskilling programs, so how you first pace up with this fast changing world, and then what do you think that what are the top upskilling program which are in very demand from the student point of view in terms of enhancing their chances of getting the employment?
Okay, so you are absolutely right that the things are changing very quickly, very fast these days. So basically, if we talk about analytics, so if you talk about 10, 15 or 20 years back, these words are not there, like analytics, data science, these were not there.
Right.
But why these words are so popular these days? Because of technology development.
Yeah.
Due to development in the technology, we are having lots of space to store data.
Right.
Now the thing is this, like all the managers who are at higher positions, leadership, they have to take decisions.
Yeah.
So earlier the trend was like people are taking their own experience, based on that they are making decisions. But due to advancement in technology and the storage capacity of data,
Yeah.
we are able to store lots and lots of data, and we are going to analyze that data. Okay.
Yeah.
So the task of analytics is here. Like if I talk about the role of analytics,
Yeah.
so here analytics plays an important role.
Yeah.
So basically analytics provides a platform where managers, these leadership people can make decisions, and these decisions are data driven decisions.
Right.
So that is why analytics comes in picture. Now, as you said that industry is changing very fast, yes, definitely. And only the solution to cope up with that is analytics. Like, when you are using analytics in your company, in your industry, you are working at a fast pace. Everything is on a screen. Like
Right.
if I simply talk about dashboards.
Yeah.
So on single screen, you can see the entire business, what is going on in your business at real time.
Right.
So this makes the things fast. So hiring, decision making, everything is very fast. Like predictions, forecasting, these things are very fast these days. So if I can suggest like those who are in management, they can just explore the courses. Like if I talk about the courses which we are offering is like marketing analytics,
Yeah.
market basket analysis, conjoint analysis. These are the techniques which we are teaching our students. If I talk about emerging technologies, so whether it is data lake or it is data analytics techniques, data presentation, cloud computing, blockchain, all these things we are covering in our courses. So this is how we provide latest cutting edge technology to our students.
Yeah. So, ma'am, these all words, whether it's a data science, analytics, these all are sounds very fascinating, But when it's come to the career opportunity, what kind of opportunity this program helps student to get, and not only in term of the designation they get in different organization, but their KRA perspective also, and the kind of packages or CTC they often offered by these organizations.
So what trend we are seeing these days is like people who are in different domains, they are also pursuing courses in business analytics, data analytics, and they're shifting towards analytics. Why? Because the packages which you are getting here in analytics are, we can't compare them with any other industry. You are getting best of best. Only the thing is this: you have techniques, you have curiosity to deal with the data, you have that intention to work with data. Then obviously you're getting best opportunities. Now if you're talking about the career opportunities, so even at the entry level we are having business intelligence analyst, data analyst, but as you grow in your career and you are at middle level, you can have opportunity like investment analyst, then market analyst, financial analyst, risk analyst. So these are the opportunities you can have at middle level. And even if you grow in your career, you can have opportunities like data science managers. Okay, so these kind of opportunities you can get if you are having, some degree or some type of information in analytics.
So, ma'am, if you have to suggest 3 most in-demand program of this new era or new age, which are those 3 programs you will recommend for the student who are looking for a better career growth?
See, one of the program is like if you are going to start your career, you should be part of business intelligence team. So for that you should have idea about dashboard designing, you should have command on Power BI, Tableau. These are the cutting edge tools which are very much useful for data visualization. Apart from that, you should have command on data science, data mining. These are the courses which prepare you to handle large data. And when we talk about data analysis is an important thing. And the techniques, tools which we have here in data analytics, they are basically taken from mathematics and statistics. So in data science, usually students get exposure of these techniques, how to handle data, editing, coding of data, analysis of data, descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, these kind of things they are learning. But apart from that, they also have to learn some programming language. Now when we talk about programming language, usually people have a fear, like we are not having coding background, how we can do analytics.
They are quite afraid about
So for that, what I want to say here is these languages like R and Python are meant for people who are not having particularly coding background. So you need not to be expert in programming language. Once you enter in this field, automatically you are going to learn these techniques.
So ma'am, last one question I have. Let's say somebody is working as a manager and he has done some program in data science and he has a specialization, let's say in Power BI, right? Because Power BI and all these tools are helping organization big time to pull out the data from the data mine and present it in a form where people can see the information in a glance in a very filtered format, so that the business use case will, increase, right? So after completing this program, what kind of CTC a student can expect?
So if I talk about the beginning CTCs in data analytics is not less than 10 lakhs. And the limit is, extended to like even we have people who are having packages of 40 lakh, 80 lakh. So the good thing about this field is like once you are having experience of 2-3 years, you get to know about the techniques, you're in learning phase. So obviously once you get knowledge of different things, different platforms, different coding languages, methods, machine learning, deep learning. So obviously your future is bright, and easily you can get a better package. So yes, of course, starting package will be 10 lakhs onwards, but there is no limit beyond that.
Right. So ma'am, I must say that you have been working and helping the student on the most exciting programs. These are the programs which are like kind of talk of the town. Everybody is talking about, every student is aspired to pursue this kind of program for their further growth in their respective careers or industry, right? So thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out time, helping our audience or student to understand that what kind of career opportunity they will have if they will go and pursue this kind of program. So thanks a lot for your time. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.